back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole, welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. Today's video is a grocery haul. We went to Makro, we also went to Dischem, but we only got a few things, but I'll tell you when I show them. Yeah, let me show you what we got. Everything totaled to about 5.5 roughly. I think everything totaled to about 5.5, so let me show you what we got. We got two of these mighty big paper towel packs, so it's a 2-pack of like the big ones. And then we got a 24-pack of like toilet rolls. And then we got a lot of meat actually, so let me show you. We got some grillers, fried grillers. We've got lamb over here. We've got beef. And then we have 3 trays of chicken, so 2 drumsticks and 1 tray for thighs. And here are the prices. Okay, that's the meat. Back there we have 3 of these country mix packets of frozen vegetables. And then we've got a big tray of eggs and then a tiny one. These are super jumbo. So these have 2 yolks per egg. And then these are just regular jumbo. We've got butternuts cubed. And then we have 2 packets of these green beans. We enjoy these a lot, so we got 2 packs. We've got a packet of spring onions, some cherry tomatoes. We have some cream cheese here in the front and then some mascarpone underneath. We have 4 packs of jelly, so 2 peach flavored and 2 cherry flavored, I think. And then we got some whipped cream. We got these little breadstick and cheese dip things. These are really nice actually. We have some salt here. We have Nola ultra creamy mayo. Back there we have chicken feet, like those are frozen. We have some mixed herbs, some Italian herbs over here, some butter, some sour cream, and then just regular clover cream. Got 2 of those. We have some Gouda here, and then some Melrose slices, and then we got 1 small pack of Viennas because we don't really eat them. Over here we have these 2 new spur sauces, so let me show you quickly. So these are both new. This one is hickory maple barbecue and this one is southern style. Hopefully they're good, I don't know. We're trying them out right now. I'll tell you in the next video what we thought about that if we buy them again. We got some mango achar here, 1 pack of curry leaves, and then some special garlic polony. Over here we have some double cream vanilla yogurt. I got vanilla and then I got just regular yogurt, plain yogurt. So I'll pick that up. This one has vanilla seeds in it, so yeah, that's fun. Back there we have a box of milk. It's like 1 box with 6 individual boxes inside. Over here we have a steam iron. My mom picked that up. And then we have some garden peas. We have 3 tins, so there's 1 here and then 2 here. Garden peas. We have some butter spreads. So these were on promotion. I can't remember what the promotion was, but we got 2 of them. And then we have soup packets. And we have 4 cream of chicken. They're all the same. 4 cream of chicken. We have brown sugar here. Some bell peppers, red, yellow, and green. We have some baking paper, and then underneath that we have a packet of beetroot, yeah. And then over here we have some rooibos tea. We have chili stock, like flavor cubes. Then we have a big box of the brown onion soup. And then we got a big box of aromat as well. The box is damaged because they didn't pack it properly, but it's aromat. And then back there we have these chicken fingers. I really like these. So we got 2 of the fingers and then 1 packet of the nuggets back there. At the back there we also have mango oros. That's the one we're currently into. I never used to drink, well, I never used to drink oros before the orange one. I just didn't drink it, but other people drank it, so we used to buy the big one. But now I drink this with like sparkling water. It's really, really good. So we picked up another one of those. We've got 2 bags of bananas. Here's the other one right here, and this one. And then we got these chocolate flavored drops. They look like chocolate chips. So I picked that up. Next to the oros we got granola. So this is the crunchy Kellogg's granola. That's our favorite with cinnamon. It's got cinnamon in it. Next to the granola back there we have a packet of sugar, like a big bag. And then we have cornflakes, which is cereal. And then here we have lotion. So we have dry skin repair lotion, and then we have an advanced repair lotion. Sorry about the washing machine in the background, but let's get through this really quickly. We have 3 bottles of Doom. This is like insect repellent. And then back there we have a packet of Rooibos tea bags. Down here we have 3 of these Dove Invisible Dry deodorants. Yeah, we like these now. I like this one. I'm just switching it up. I normally get the blue one, but I'm just trying new ones. We have this Ingram's petroleum jelly here. We have this Bennett Reed carpet and upholstery cleaner. And then we have 2 boxes of these gel Colgate toothpastes. We have 5 of these Stay Soft refill packs. So these are the concentrates. And we have 3 baby ones. 1 passion one and 1 lavender, I believe. Passion and relax. So lavender basically. And then we have this big bottle of laundry liquid. 1 bottle of laundry liquid over there, and then we got 4 different domestos. And then we picked this up. This was really interesting. My mom was speaking to someone at the shop and they told her about the spray, and apparently you spray it in your room and then you open the window and it's like kills mosquitoes. Like no mosquitoes will come into your room. I don't know, there's no explanation on the bottle. It says, yeah, it just tells you not to spray it on skin and all that stuff, but it doesn't like tell you what it does. But the lady said you spray it in the room and then you open your windows like at night and no mosquitoes will come in, and then just before you go to bed you can close your windows. But like, you know, cool. So we got 2 of those. We got this Pond's face cream and then this Flawless Radiance face wash. Then we got the 2-pack of the Peaceful Sleep liquid. This is like an insect repellent as well. We have 2 bags of salt. This is coarse sea salt and this is sea salt. No, not sea salt. This one is for the dishwasher. We have these mothballs. We picked 1 of those up, and then we also got this from Makro, which is just washing powder, and then this as well, which is just garbage bags. And then at Dischem we got the body wash. So we got 3 of these. These smell really good, so we picked them up. This is the pomegranate oil and jasmine blossom. We got 3 of them, and then we got the Luxe Tempting Whisper. 2 of these. These are wild peony and lang lang oil, so they smell super good. This one specifically. The other Luxe ones are weird for me, but this one smells nice. And then we got this Epizone cream lastly. So yeah, that's everything that we got. we got a ton of meat. We don't typically get like this much meat with groceries. We typically just get one tray. But I think we got everything that we needed. I don't think we left anything that we have to still get, except for like chicken breasts, but we left them because we don't have the pasta and we didn't want to go to Woolies, so we'll get them like probably next week or something. But we got everything that we needed. We didn't leave anything behind. So yeah, I know that things are about to get more expensive, so this will probably look different next month. But for now, that's all that I have for you. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on my Instagram and my Facebook. Whenever I post a new video on my YouTube channel, it gets uploaded onto my Facebook page as well, so you can follow there to keep up with my videos. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one.